Welcome to Nature with Haida. Amosha mosh ukmesiaya. Haida chen squish. My name is Haida. I am grateful to be working and playing on the traditional indigenous lands of the Shishelt Nation. I am British Columbia's first forest therapy guide with the Association of Nature and Forest Therapy. Well, what is forest bathing? What is forest therapy? I mean, they're really two terms that mean the same experience. So forest bathing, I like to describe as submerging yourself in the ambiance of a forest and letting the sensory stimuli wash over our senses, creating that calming effect, much like taking a hot bath. And forest therapy is one of many great ways to enjoy the forest. It's not hiking, like hiking is about getting exercise and socializing with your friend usually, but forest bathing is going much slower, interacting deliberately with your senses, and it keeps you captivated by the present moment where the gift of life is. I'm simply a guide that opens your senses to the medicine that the forest has for you. As your guide, I do three main things. I slow you down, I keep you safe physically and emotionally, and I offer invitations, which are suggestions on how to interact with the forest.
I feel connected to the trees and to each of you. I feel peace. I feel gratitude.
I feel so grounded in that oneness, that expansion, that connection, breathing with the tree and feeling the heartbeat of Mother Earth as we go. It's just amazing.
I feel a lot of joy in the forest, a lot of playful energy. I feel ease and calm.
I'd like to invite you to connect with me through my website and arrange a time where we can experience the forest together, either for yourself as an individual, or as a couple, or as a small group. Let's come together and experience the magic.